Right, I've been seeing quite a lot of videos talking about how to grow your business with YouTube ads and Facebook ads. So I thought to myself, you know what? Let me try it out and see what happens. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what happened when I tried to do YouTube ads coming up. So who doesn't want to make more money? So I thought to myself, right, I've been getting organic traffic and that's how I've been promoting my affiliates. So why not amplify that, make more money? So I dove into YouTube ads. Let me show you what happened. So over here, this is exactly what happened. I tried to promote this review, Divi Review 2020. In fact, here's the video. This is the video. And to be honest, the views are quite accurate. So this is 26,000 views. And over here for 714 pounds, which is close to about 900 US dollars, I got 25,000 views. Now, out of these 25,000 views, 165 people clicked. So I thought to myself, wow, that is absolutely crazy. For almost $1,000, so let's say $1,000, 200 people click. That is crazy. That is super expensive. So how are people actually making money? So I did some calculations and I realized that I actually lost money on this ad. And this is why I've been stepping back when it comes to Facebook ads or YouTube ads, because it is quite expensive and you need to know what you're doing in order for this to be successful for you. So anyway, let's go through the maths. So over here we can see that the average cost per view was 3 cents or 3 pence. So not too bad. And this is what really attracted me to this. I thought to myself, yeah, you know what, 3 pence per view? How can that be a lot of money? Surely you can make a lot out of this. But when I saw 714, I was shocked because this is quite a lot of money, to be honest. And for 165 clicks, nah. So I started looking deeper into this and I realized that, okay, you know what, I might have lost some money here. So when I took a look at the commissions themselves, to be honest, I didn't really make a lot of money here because I think about 10 people or even less actually bought this. So anyway, let's do some calculations here and see if this is worthwhile. So I've just tweaked the figures here a bit just to make it easier for us to calculate the commissions here and the profit. So $1,000, 200 clicks. So it's not too far off from here. $700, 165. So I just rounded this off to 200 clicks, and I've also rounded this to US dollars, 1,000 US dollars. So as you can see, we're not too far off. Okay. So here, your commission here is a 44. In fact, in my case, my commission is 44 by promoting Divi. So if someone buys Divi using my affiliate link, I get $44. But if they go for the lifetime, I get almost double that. But in most cases, it's the $44. So if 5%, which is 10 people buy, that gives me $440. And straight away, you can see this is a loss, right? I haven't made any money if 10 people buy. And you may be thinking, but 10 people is a lot of people. But yeah, it is a lot of people, but you can't go wrong with the figures. If 10 people buy, I've made a loss. And yes, 5% is an average. If you're doing 5%, it's not too bad. But of course, if your video is really good, you go into detail and you explain quite a lot of things and people really find it, useful, then of course the rate goes up to about 10%. But sometimes it can go as low as 1% or even 2%. So you have to be mindful about the conversion here. So in my case here, I'm using 5% and it's 10 people. So 10 people bought and I've made a loss. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, this model here, as soon as you go into paid advertising, it's almost guaranteed you're going to make a loss. You're not going to make money on the front end here. Definitely not, because it's clear here that, 10 people buy gives you 440. It's a loss of 560. Now, what make matters even worse is a lot of people out there are trying to do affiliate marketing where they're promoting a product which gives them less than $44. Now, imagine if you're promoting something that gives you $20 and you're trying to do paid advertising here. you might as well forget it, because then you're making a massive loss. So I sat down and I was thinking to myself, okay, how else can you make this profitable? And the only way is to have a funnel. Now, over here, you'd need to have people to sign up into a mailing list, so that this 5% here could be increased by perhaps reminding people to buy from your affiliate link, or giving them the benefits of why they need to buy your product. So by doing that, you may raise this to about maybe 8%. So this helps a little bit, okay? But it's not the end result we're really aiming for here. What you want to do is, when someone signs up to buy, in this case, Divi, you want to be able to sell them something here, something that is very beneficial, one-time offer. So this one-time offer, let's say it costs $97, and again, I've rounded off to say 100, right? And 5 of these 10 people buy this one-time offer. This then gives you $500, which means now you're in the game. You've gained a profit of $60, but still it's not enough. Because remember, you've spent so much time here to create this one-time offer. This could be a massive course that you're selling, and it's going for, let's say, $200, but one-time offer, you give them a discount, 50% discount, and now it's $100. And only here, if 5 people buy, then can you make $60 profit. But still, if you look at the amount of energy you're putting in here just to get $60, it's ridiculous. You need to be spending here thousands of dollars for you to increase this, right? So if you add a zero here, let's say 10,000, so you'd make 600 over here. So still, you need the upfront $10,000 here for you to be making that kind of money. So the only way that I can see people making money, or you making money with affiliate marketing, is, number one, you need to have consistent content around the actual product that you're creating, because one ad does not make it. One video does not make it. In this case, if you're trying to make money just with this one review, it's almost impossible. You might as well forget it. So you would need a lot of videos here, which in my case is what I do. I make a lot of videos on Divi, and with those videos, I try to give as much value as I can, and also add my URL in there for people to buy through my affiliate link. So that's the only way you can make this work. But if you're going to be using ads, it's going to take you quite a while to really make money with this. And you need a proper strategy behind the scenes here to really make the money coming in. So here, I would say, to make this profit now, since these people here, these 10 people are now on your mailing list, you can then retarget these 10 people and say, hey, you know what? I have another product that I think you might be interested in, and this is X. So that product now, you don't have to pay this amount for you to promote to these 10 people, because you've already got them on your mailing list. So let's say you say to these 10 people, okay, you know what? You've bought Divi, but you may also want an SEO plugin, and this SEO plugin costs, let's say, $100, and again, you're getting 20% commission. Now, if 2 people buy, then you've put $40 in the back end, and this is how you start making money. And the bigger your list grows here, the more sales you're going to make. And this is why you hear a lot of people, a lot of marketers say the money is in the list, because if your list is converting well, this is how you're going to be making your money. And this is the bigger picture, or the bigger strategy of affiliate marketing the smart way, especially if you want to scale your business. Because if you're just going to use organic traffic, you're not really going to be making a lot of money, to be honest. I mean, in my case, I don't use paid advertising in any of my videos, but it's only now that I'm trying to do it, and I've already realized that there's more to this. There's absolutely more to this. You need to have products in the back end. You need to have other affiliate products that you may want to promote in the back end. But here, I'm sure you can agree with me that you need a mailing list for this to work, because you don't want to be spending money to get these clicks and to get people to buy any products that you're promoting. You need to get people on this mailing list and then sell them products that relate to what they've just bought from your recommendation. So that's my discovery. What do you guys think? How do you do your affiliate promotions? How do you make money with them? Share that in the video description below. So I'm going to be trying this out a few more times, and definitely once I crack that formula, I'm going to be sharing that formula with you guys over here, and perhaps maybe even make a course on the strategy that I use to make this affiliate marketing work. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. See you again in the next video. Take care.